very big hi to everyone. Hope you're all doing good during this lockdown period. Saying this, you might have guessed, yes, it's another crochet video or crochet video. This is one of the requested video by my dear friend and my Akka. Yeah, those who are following my posts are familiar with my stone art. The stones being transformed into a particular memory, like a stone from Minau, Coral Beach, and so on. This one, because of lockdown, I was unable to get a particular rock, but this is also a memory. This is from my daughter's school. So I thought I can give a small makeover on this. For this I am using 2mm hook. Hope you can read it. 2mm hook, and this is concrete thread from Shailesh Pradhan. So I guess we can start doing with the slip knot. Make a slip knot and do. I'm using 2mm hook and concrete thread, and now I have done a slip knot and 3 chains. Now I'm going to do 15 DC, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Make the round complete by doing slip stitch in the second chain. Here is the stone. We have completed the round. For the next round, do 2 chain and make 1 DC in the same stitch. Chain 1 and do DC in the next DC. Chain 1, do 1 DC in the next DC. Continue this till the round. make slip stitch in the second chain, in the chain 2, around this over. For the next round, chain 2, do 1 DC, chain 2, then do 1 DC on the next DC, chain 2, next DC, do 1 DC. Continue this till the row completes. Chain 2, next DC, chain 2, DC, chain 2, DC, chain 2, DC, chain 2, DC. Repeat this one more time. After completing one more row, we'll catch you back. Almost the stone is covered. For the next row, we start reduction of stitches. So chain 2, do 1 DC, chain 1, do 1 DC on the next DC, chain 1, do DC on next DC. Continue this till the row completes. Now we have to insert the stone into the pouch shaped. Here it is. Here is the round. Okay, it's complete. Now it's time to finish this round. Chain 2 and then leaving 1, 2, 3 2 chain space. Make a C. Chain 2, chain 2, make a single crochet and then make 2 chain, That's all. Thank you.